Hello everyone, welcome to the class. I hope you are fine at your home. So today we are going to start our second unit of the third chapter, that is logic gates. In this unit we are going to discuss about the Boolean algebra as well as its laws, and we have to discuss about the logic gates and how we can construct the logic circuit by using that gates. So today we are going to start our first topic, that is Boolean algebra. Students, mathematicians and scientists spent many time to find the relation between the mathematics and the logic. And then George Boole discovered a link between the math and logic, mathematics and logics in 1854. He developed a symbolic logic that he used to solve logical problems in mathematics, and that symbolic logic is called Boolean algebra. Yes, this Boolean algebra deals with only two values, either 0 or 1, or we can say that false or true. 0 for false, 1 for true. Then in 1938, the Claude Shannon developed a practical approach of Boolean algebra by applying some signal diversion through electronic telephone. He used only two states, switching on and off. Boolean algebra is also called switching algebra because in this only two states indicated by switching option, either on or off. So next is binary valued quantities. In this we have to discuss about truth value and truth table. The result of any logical statement that is called truth value, the result may be either false or true. If I am taking the example, is 1 a odd number? This logical statement gives either true or false. It gives a true value because 1 is a odd number. So the true value that is given by the logical statement is called truth value. Truth value may be either false or true. ये नहीं है कि अकेली true value को truth value बोलेंगे. अगर कोई logical statement false value दे रही है, then it is also called truth value of that statement. Second is truth table. The representation of truth values in a tabular form, that is called truth table. Truth table is the tabular structure which shows the input values and output through any logical process. Or we can say that also truth table shows the output depending upon the input values. Next is Boolean variable. As we use the logical variable in the mathematics, in mathematics variable can be assigned any decimal number. But now we are talking about Boolean variable. So Boolean variable only has either 0 or 1 value. This Boolean variable is also called binary valued variable. Now what are the operators that are used in Boolean algebra? Logical operators are used in the Boolean algebra, and there are three types of logical operators: logical not, logical or, and logical and. Firstly, we have to discuss about the logical not. This logical not provides complement of any given binary valued quantity, that is truth value. It is indicated by these symbols. Logical or results in the logical addition of binary valued quantities. It adds the two truth values or more than two values. Its symbol is plus. Logical and provides the product of any two or more than two truth values. It is indicated by dot sign. Now I want to show you the truth table of the logical not, or, and logical and operator. Firstly, we are talking about the logical not. So if I am taking here the a variable, that is Boolean variable, it contains either 0 or 1. So what is the complement of this? 0 changes into 1, 1 changes into 0 by the complement or by the logical not operator. Next is logical or operator. It needs two values so that it performs the addition of two truth values, and here I am taking the two Boolean variables a and b, and here I want to add both the variables like a plus b, because plus symbol is representation of logical OR. Here I am taking the every combination of these variables, either both are false, either one is false, second is true, either first is true, second is false, and either both are true. So now we are going to add these two variables by the logical OR. When we are using logical OR, the output is 0 only when all the operands are 0. Here both the operands are 0, so output is 0, either otherwise it gives the 1 value. I am repeating again, logical OR gives the output 0 when all the operands are 0. When a and b both are 0. Otherwise it gives 1 result. Next is logical AND, that provides the product of two Boolean variables. So here I am taking the two variables a and b, and I want to perform the logical AND of that. Logical AND gives the result 1 only when all the operands are 1. So here all the operands are 1, it gives the result 1, otherwise it gives the result 0. Students, listen carefully. Here logical OR gives the output 0 only when all the operands are 0, otherwise 1. Logical AND gives the output 1 only when all the operands are 1, otherwise 0. Like any arithmetical expression, Boolean expression contains Boolean variables as well as logical operators. Here example of Boolean expression, a complement plus b. Complement is the logical NOT operator, plus is the logical OR operator, and a and b are the Boolean variables. And a plus b dot c, this is another Boolean expression. A plus b plus c complement, this is another Boolean expression. So now I am showing you how we can create the truth table of this Boolean expression. So I am taking this expression and I want to construct here the truth table for that. There are 3 variables, so combinations are 8, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, and 1, 1, 0. Last is 1, 1, 1. We have to take each and every combination of 3 variables. So 3 variables, combinations are 2 raised to power 3 is equal to 8. We can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 combinations of 3 variables. Now we have to take the firstly C complement. What is C complement or C logical NOT? 0 is converted into 1, 1 is converted into 0. Like this. Yes. Now we have to take the logical OR of 3 variables. Here the logic C complement here. So A, B and C complement. We have to take the logical OR. 1. Here see students, 0, 0 and 0. All are 0, so result is 0. Otherwise result is 1. Yes. Only one situation when result is 0, when all the operands are 0. So this is the truth table that is for the Boolean expression that is given to you. That's all students. Thank you so much. Take care.